Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to walk around and show you this 2011 Ford F550 we have for sale. It's a four-wheel drive 6.7 diesel, extended cab. It's got 11-foot nap height surface bed, 7,500 pound Stellar crane, hydraulic air compressor, hydraulic outriggers. It's got 286,000 miles on it. It's a one-owner truck out of Texas, so it has no rust. Got a Carfax on it showing all kind of service records or service history. Walk around and show it to you. It's got new tires on it. Got some hail dings on the hood here. You can see them, which is about every truck or truck we get from Texas has hail dings on the roof. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, vinyl seat and floor, cruise control. American Eagle toolbox up here. This door right here has got some damage, so obviously that doesn't work. If you're looking at this truck out of state and you want us to ship it to you, I can ship it straight to your door. You're gonna be looking around $1.75, $2 a mile right now. Normally on the shipping, we're dispatchers, so what we'll do is post it on our board and we wait for somebody to call and say, hey, I see you got this truck going to New York or Wyoming or wherever you're at. We want to pick it up and take it. We don't have somebody just sitting here ready to leave out as soon as you pay for it. Normally you can have the truck in 3 to 7 days. If you're out in the middle of nowhere, sometimes it can take a little longer, but the average is 3 to 7 days. If you got to know the exact second somebody's going to pick it up and when they're going to have it to you, you got to come get it yourself, because I can't tell you an exact minute somebody's going to be here and pick the thing up. You're welcome to do that. We're open Monday through Friday, 7 to 4. We're not open on the weekends, and if you come, you got to bring a cashier's check, do a wire transfer, or bring cash. We can't take a check on your name or your business name. It has to be a certified bank check. Most people pay by wire and ship. But anyways, do what you feel like you need to do. All right, so we got a one owner. It's got an accident reported, vehicle not damaged. That makes a lot of sense. So you start here, you got service. Unfortunately, they don't put the miles on some of these, but you can obviously see this thing's serviced like crazy. pages and pages of oil changes. That's the thing about the people we buy from. They don't cut any corners on their service. Even on a diesel, they've got these now where you don't have to change the fluids every 3,000 miles. They change them every 3,000 miles. And this is where we bought it. But yeah, tons of service on that Carfax. I'm gonna start it up and work the crane and outriggers. Set your emergency brake. PTO, main power. Compressor switches here. Are out and down. That air hose has a little leak, obviously. Be cut off and fixed. Crane up, down, winch down, extension out, extension in, side to side. Crane works like it should. Pull the outriggers back in. Check the hours. 91, 96 engine hours. It's not bad on a truck with 280. If you're interested, give me a call, 256-310-6852. Already went over the logistics part. If you want to ship it, we can definitely take care of that for you. If you want to come pick it up, that's fine as well. We're here Monday through Friday, 7 to 4. I guess that's about it. This is a pretty popular truck. Extended cab, 4-wheel drive, big crane, hydraulic, compressor, and outriggers. Don't wait. This thing probably won't last too long. All right. Thanks for watching.